Can the court make you sell your business during a divorce? My name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Now, can the court do this? Can they make you sell the business? Great question. You have a divorce, you have a business. The business is something that's going to pay you your livelihood for the next 20 years, even once the divorce is over. Can they make you sell it? Well, the court can. The quick answer is yes. If it's a marital asset, the court can force it sold. Sold doesn't necessarily mean that it'll go to a third party. The court may require it to be sold in that there's going to be a buyout. 50% of the asset belongs to him, so if you want to keep your business, you got to pay them 50% of that. But the court can liquidate any marital asset in order to make it fair for the parties. Yes, it's how you make your living, but it's also how this other person is supported. Now, if you're going to continue to have access to that, this person has to be paid their share so that they can go out and maybe buy another business, do something else. So number one, the court can do that. The court can also award the equity from one party to another party. Typically, a business valuation in that scenario is going to be necessary. The court needs to know what it is that it's awarding. It could be that the debts of the business eclipse the assets, so the business is actually insolvent. In that case, the court might stick it with the person who's working it and say, okay, look, it's worthless anyway. You can continue to keep with it, and I free you of the debts. The court can do that under certain circumstances. So the court has a lot of leeway. The courts generally prefer to not disrupt a functioning business, which means if it's paying money, if it's what you make a living out of, the court would rather see you buy out the other person and keep it going than to just disrupt it. When you sell it to a third person, it's gone. It's out of your estate. Your kids can't benefit from it. Your family can't benefit from it. So the court would prefer not to do that if at all possible. It's not always possible to do it that way, though. So in light of that circumstance, sometimes the business will have to be sold. It's going to depend on a case-by-case basis. It's going to depend on the business and what the financial positions are of the respective parties. If you have any questions about your case, of course, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3330